name is Station Shaiju, and this is my husband Shaijuman MK, and I come from Peru on the border of Kottayam district, and I completed my BSc Nursing from NTR University, Andhra Pradesh, Nellore, and I'm having 2-year experience in a LEC hospital in cardiac department, and I'm so happy to share about this wonderful moment because I got Canada visa today, and one of my friends suggested me Kerala Nightingale, and also I got a mail from Kerala Nightingale to achieve my visa. They made visa processing within a short time itself. Apart from that, we got RN classes which is taken by RN trainer from Canada, and that is a very useful class. I suggest Kerala Nightingale who are all having to go to Canada, and surely I will suggest my friends who are having interested to go to Canada. Then I wish all success to Kerala Nightingale, and thank you very much.
Thomas sir and his team is very supportive. They made the process easy. I am very thankful and looking for further cooperation with them in the remaining procedure.